In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Time Doctor, a versatile tool to help manage your time more effectively. In just a few minutes, you'll be on your way to maximizing productivity with this easy-to-use software. Let's get started. First, you'll want to launch Time Doctor from your device. This can be done by opening the application from your desktop if you've installed it there, or by accessing it from your web browser. Time Doctor is designed to be intuitive and accessible, so whether you're on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, you can get things up and running smoothly. Now, if this is your first time using Time Doctor, you'll need to log in. During initial setup, you just need to enter your credentials, such as your username and password. If you've used it before, the app might remember your details, so you might find yourself logged in automatically. If not, don't worry, the process is straightforward. Just make sure you enter the correct information and you're in. Once logged in, you'll want to make Time Doctor work for you by adding projects and tasks. This functionality is crucial for efficient tracking. Consider what projects you're currently working on and break them down into specific tasks. This way, you can track time spent on each individual element, making it easier to analyze where your effort goes and how you can optimize your workflow. When you add a project or task, think about naming conventions that make sense to you so you can easily recognize them and keep everything organized. After you've set up your projects and tasks, it's time to track your work. You'll do this by clicking on the play button next to each task or project you want to track. This will start the timer, capturing the duration of time spent working. Whenever you need to stop or pause your tracking, simply click the pause button. The benefit here is that everything is automatically recorded, so you won't lose track of what you were doing or the time spent on it. If you switch between projects during your day, you can easily click the play button for a different project or task. This flexibility makes it easy to switch gears without losing your focus or your record of work. Being able to see which project you're spending the most time on can offer valuable insights into your productivity habits. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Time Doctor to help you manage your work more effectively. Whether you're a freelancer trying to keep track of billable hours or part of a larger team needing to monitor project progress, Time Doctor can be a powerful ally in streamlining your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.